Hello guys, welcome to RTY Tech Services. Farm Store is a latest e-commerce application. You can install application and open it. Now you will see slider banner. Products category, latest products. User can also change products layout list to grid. Now user also check category and wishlist section in Farm Shop application. Now go to profile section and create a new account or log in with existing account. User can create new account by mobile number with OTP. After login successfully, you can also check all features which is available in our application profile section. Now you can also check notification section to send promotion notification to customer directly by admin panel side. Now you can also check refer and earn features in our application which is boost you online business. Admin also change refer and earn money value by admin panel side. Also user can share referral code directly to social media. User also check wallet system in our application and add money his wallet by online payment. Now user also check particular category products by click category section. When user know more about any products details, he can click and check it products details in products section option. In products section, user check products image and gallery images, products name, wish list option, share products option. Also check similar products option and quantity option to increase and decrease products quantity. Now click cart button to see cart section and click continue. Now you can add delivery address details like name, number, address, landmark, state and city name, etc. Also user can add his product's delivery location on Google Map by click update your location button. After select address, click to continue to check checkout section. In checkout section user can also use coupon in coupon section. To click to proceed button. User can check payment section. In this section user can select delivery date and time and also select payment method like COD or online payment option. After click to confirm button, order placed successfully. And user will get new notification. After place order, admin get notification his admin panel. Admin can check new order details in admin panel order section. Admin can check order details like customer name, number, item details, etc. Also admin can assign delivery boy and change order status. Now delivery boy get new order alert notification in delivery boy application.
Your new order with ID number 3 has been received.
Delivery boy check order details and also delivery boy call directly to customer. And also check customer delivery address and location in Google Map.
Head, then you will arrive at your destination.
When order is ready and ready to delivery. Delivery person change status in delivery boy application process to shipped. Customer will get new notification in customer application. When delivery person reached to customer address and ready to deliver item, delivery person take OTP by customer application and add delivery boy application. After that order delivered to customer address successfully. And customer get new notification in customer application like order is delivered successfully. After delivery item, delivery person can check also per order delivery commission in delivery boy application wallet section. Also delivery person send withdrawal request to admin. Thank you for watching video. If you want to more details about this project, kindly contact us RTY Tech Services or visit www.rttech.com.